Hey everybody, today we're here at Six Flags. It's open, it's the 1st, it's not April Fool's Day. So here we're gonna go, we're gonna ride some rides. We're gonna do some things. I just am so excited to get in the park. So let's go and do this. Let's have some fun, let's ride some roller coasters. And, well, let's park it. What is up, everybody? We are back. It is April 1st, but it's not April Fool's Day because we are inside Six Flags for the first time in over a year. Alright, we just got off our first ride in over a year, and of course it was Twisted Colossus. I miss that so much, so fun. I'm ready, I'm psyched. We're gonna ride some more rides. Let's go do this. I'm so excited. Come with me, guys. As always, let's park. As you can see, they have hand sanitizer stations all around the park. It's almost noon and it's pretty dead already still, so hey, why not? It's low capacity. Most of the rides are running. Let's go ride some more stuff. Games are open. They have dining areas specifically for, of course, dining. All right, next up on the list, we walked a little bit. We're gonna go on the Riddler's Revenge. I haven't been on this one in a long time. Actually, I haven't been on any of these in a long time. A little disappointed at Six Flags and not having hand sanitizer in the front and the back of the lines and rides. Just like Universal does. I'm a little disappointed in that. You have to go out of your way to actually find any hand sanitizer. I can't wait. So I hope they improve that. The hand sanitizer is everywhere in the park, but not in the front and back of the line. That I feel like would make everyone feel more safe, even though they are doing a very good job here, social distancing. But yeah, let's go ride this ride. Cannot wait. Super excited to be here. Lot 5. Lot 5. All right, we just got off the Riddler. I don't know what to say about that one. It's not that good. Still a ride that I haven't ridden in a long ass time. But onwards and upwards to some more thrilling adventures here at Six Flags. And now we go into the underground. Zero social distancing happening here at Six Flags. All right, another ride down. We just did Scream, the most generic ride here at Six Flags. And what we got? Mediocre. But mediocre. Speaking of not mediocre people, we're here with, do you like that? Theme Park Detectives. Theme Park Detectives. Do you like how I transitioned over there? Could have been a bad joke. Speaking of. But anyways, I think we're gonna ride some more rides. It's starting to get busy, so I don't know what we're gonna do or what we're gonna ride next. He's never been on
The
West Coast Racers.
We gotta go do that.
We're gonna go do that. However, the line is a little long. Maybe we'll ride something else before that.
As long as we get it throughout before the day.
Of course. But let's go. Let's do this. And you know what? Let's park it. Some people like to black out from alcohol. I like to black out from G-forces. That's why we're going on Goliath next, to see if maybe we can gray out. Who knows? Let's go ride one of the rides that I realized, oh my God, I might pass out. So we lied. That line was like an hour and a half long.
I think it was more than that.
Oh.
And then like in that video and just leaving in the and then this. One line is small, the other one is empty.
We just got off of Apocalypse, and I don't know what to say. It's too good. It reminds me of RMCs, but back before there was such a thing. And now, I think we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Weird people staring at the camera.
All seats have been checked, station stand clear. All clear.
Hold on.
Let me know when you want to go. Go!
Another ride down. A good ride, full throttle. The guy tried to mess with us. Didn't happen. Didn't work. I was on top of it at all times.
He thought he did something.
He thought he was funny. Great ride. On to the next. Don't know which one, but we're gonna go find out. As you can see, it's pretty empty still. Some running in the park. Don't know what you're running for. All right, everybody, that is it for Six Flags today. We had a great time. Six Flags, you do have to work on your social distancing. These little dots are probably not going to work very well for the rest of the year. I would definitely take note from Universal and Disneyland. As you can see, everyone's exiting right now. However, I hope things get better. It was a fun day. I cannot wait to come back. I cannot wait to ride some more rides. We didn't get many rides on, so I'm ready. It's good to be back. So excited. Cannot wait for more. With that being said, we're gonna head off and leave this to another day. So, as always, let's park it.